Deutsch na good morning Germany, good morning Frankfurt, good day in the Philippines, good day in some other countries, good day sa ating lahat. It's another day, it's another day off day. It's weekend, it's Saturday, and it's 9:50 a.m. Complete na yun. I still have day off, and tomorrow, Sunday, yes, weekend. Si partner is na-prepare lang na ng ating breakfast dahil I have been lazy for the past few days. Charot. Thank you very much. Breakfast is delivered. Thank you. Yan, meron na tayong breakfast, guys. Ito na yung cherry marmalade natin. Diba? Look at this. Okay. Sarap nyo, guys. So, this is our cherry marmalade. Cherry jam. Ang sarap, no? Ang sarap. Ang ganda niya tingnan, no? At ito yung dark pandesal nila. Dunkelbrötchen. Roggenbrötchen tawag nila dito. Ito yung one of the klase na pandesal sa kanila. Ang dami kasi nilang klaseng dito, guys, tinapay. Iba't ibang klaseng tinapay nila dito, ang dami. Anyways, happy breakfast. Sarap ng cherry. Pero parang aalis kami today, guys. Pupunta kami dun sa may malapit sa trabaho ko na market kasi ngayon ay Saturday. Yung mga vegetables na fresh from the farms every Saturday and Wednesday ata yun, pero Saturday ngayon, so yeah, we will try na pumunta doon. Ooh. Good morning. Good morning. We are outside. Naglalakad lang kami. Papunta na kaming market. I thought it's a little bit warm, but no. Naka-short at chanelas lang ako. So medyo cool talaga. May sipon. I have runny nose this morning. Yeah. I should have wear pants. Anyways, it's too late. No. Thank you, should. I'm sure, guys, madaming tao doon. Kasi nga market. Medyo malayo pa naman tayo, but wait. I think, yeah, good. So yan, kahit na red, guys, sorry, walang police at there's no kid in front of us. But dito, okay, wala ding tao, walang mga bata, tsaka red pa, di ba? If there's a kid, never do that. Otherwise, the parents of the kid will scold you or something, right? Doc, I've done that once. Yeah? Yeah, papagalitan ka, guys. May bata dito, oh. Alam mo namang hindi pwede yan. Ganun sila dito mga parents, lalo na pag may bata. Dito na tayo, guys. Nandun pa sa unahan yung guys, yung market. Kasi punta pa kami ng DM. Meron na titingnan. Yan, pasok lang tayo sa DM. We will get a basket or something. No, we don't need to. Tapos na kami doon and now we will go direct to the market, guys. Look at this way. Pang cheer yun, guys, sa kasi football week na dito, mag-championship na ang Europe. So, pang yun, pang cheers ng mga nila, favorite football players. Ang daming tao. Wow, may nag-grill, may yung mga sausages yan, guys. Tapos may pork, yung pork belly, parang ganon. Meron din dyan. No. There. Willst du das? Hier.
Da hinten.
Ja, genau. Nur eine? Da.
Da auch noch?
Ja. You buy fruits you like.
Yeah, on the way back.
On the way back. Look at these cherries.
Yeah.
Sour yan sila, guys. Yung itong cherry na to, sour. I think I'd like to have asparagus. Ito talaga yung sadya namin, guys. Yan. Ito, yung sadya namin dito. Kuha ko ng asparagus.
Ja. Da war eben einer da aus Bali, der hat die mitgebracht. Ah, ja?
Dankeschön.
Kirschen.
Nein.
Was ist der Unterschied zwischen denen? Abgesehen vom Preis?
Ja, die sind dicker, fleischiger auf jeden Fall. Bisschen süßer finde ich auch. Das sind die ersten Obststädter.
Ja. Nehmen wir mal die. Probieren mal die.
Ja, die haben ebenso.
Kuha lang din ako ng ano guys. Cucumber. Kuha tayo ng strawberries. Uwi na kami. Maglalakad na lang din kami guys kasi wala kami masyadong binili. Nasa bahay na kami. Madali lang kami doon. Hindi kami masyadong nagtagal doon. Kasi, madaming tao. So, pagkita lang natin kung anong binili namin doon. Unahin lang natin bumili kami ng 10 pieces of eggs. Bumili kami ng strawberry. Dalawang klase siya na kinds of strawberry. Ito yung pangalawa namin nabili. Tapos yung first na nabili namin, mas maganda siya na klase anyways. Mas maganda siya na klase ito. Kasi guys, gagawa si partner ng strawberry jam. Ito yung sadya namin talaga doon sa market. Supposedly guys, kinakain ko siya mga first week of spring, mga ganon. Late spring na kasi today, this time. Pero at least meron pa. These are different kinds of different kinds of herbs. Merong parsley, merong, hindi ko alam kung ano dito. 7 different kinds of herbs, guys. Kasi gagawa kami ng, tawag nila dito is grüne sauce. So that means green sauce. Fresh siyang kakainin pero dapat pa siyang i-food processor para lumiit. Tapos may mga creams, tapos i-partner lang siya ng boiled egg at saka potatoes. Yun. Ewan ko kung ba't siya bumili nito. Bumili siya again ng cherry. Ang lalaki niya na cherry. Pero I don't know kung how many kilos to. Ito lang binili, di ba? Hindi ko alam ba't siya bumili. Kumuha lang tayo ng salad cucumber for tomorrow to guys, Sunday. And my favorite, asparagus. Di ba? Maganda siya na klase, ang liliit. And bumili kami ng dalawang klaseng bread. Ayan. With sunflower seeds. At saka isa is, lang siya guys, dark bread. Yun. Yan. Dark bread lang siya. Kasi mas prefer kong kumain ng dark bread kaysa sa yung white bread. Ayun. Hugas lang ako ng kamay. Tapos ipiprepare namin tong green sauce now. So, hugasan ko lang sila ulit guys. Kasi hindi naman natin alam kung gaano sila kalinis doon, di ba? So, again, these are different kinds of herbs. Isa dito is Schnittlauch. Siya guys? Clove. Yan. Para siyang spring onions. Tapos madami itong are these all petersilia or two? Ang daming parsley guys. Well, masarap din naman. Kailangan na talaga siyang hugasan guys, very carefully. So kaya siya tinatawag na green sauce kasi it's all green, di ba? Tapos magkukulay green talaga yung sauce niya pag na-mix na siya lahat. So tapos guys, kailangan pa siyang i-dry. What's this?
Sauer.
Para siyang para siyang malalaking spinach. Yeah, what can I say? Meron ditong parang yung gamot sa atin guys, parang gamot sa yung mabughat, I don't know, something like that. Yeah, tsaka yung bango din niya ganon. Hindi siya marami because it's very strong taste, right? I think so. It's not so much. There's just this one guys tastes like spinach lang talaga siya.
It's sour.
It's sour? Okay. Na good. Sour pala to guys. Kala ko pang spinach. So kailangan pa tong tanggalin yung mga talaga guys. Yung stem niya. Eto, para lang siyang damo. What's this?
Kerbel.
Kerbel guys, I don't know in English. The yellow, we don't need this, right? It's like parsley guys, pero maliliit lang siya. Yan, di ba? Tapos ito yung parsley. They're just almost the same lang, no? So this is one of delicacies in Frankfurt or in Hessen?
It's typical for Frankfurt.
For Frankfurt, okay.
Frankfurter grüne Soße.
Aha. And then it's only in spring, right?
It starts at Easter.
Aha. April. Tapos meron dito, ano naman dito? I don't know what's this guys. Para lang siyang isusulat ko na lang yung mga guys, yung mga translation later kasi ang hirap niyang Hindi siya. It smells like papaya. Yeah, it smells like green papayas guys. Eto. So again guys, these are 7 kinds of herbs. One of the traditional food in Frankfurt, normally in springtime. So look at this, diba? Ang green, no? It's very healthy. It's very fresh. It's fresh like RC. Charot. So ilagay lang natin siya dito, guys. And there. And there. Ang dami talagang parsley is so much. And then we will roll it, right? So we will roll it like that. So make sure na guys, hindi siya And
Yeah, here. Just the...
so sorry. Baka kasi. Ganyan, ganyan pala. Oh, tingnan nyo, may natapon, di ba? Sisto?
That's okay.
Okay, tapos na yan, guys. May natapon pa, di ba? Hugasan ulit. Wait lang. We could use the other one. It's easier, this one. Pinahirapan pa ako, guys. Meron naman dito. Lagay lang siya dyan. So, kukunan na muna natin yung guys, yung mga stem. Meron ako ditong videographer. Kasi guys, pag isali itong mga stem, matigas. Nangingiyayat na si guys. It's heavy.
Yeah.
So, ayun, di ba? Mas madali. Pinahirapan pa ako. And nagpapa-boil lang siya ng egg. Also, potatoes. We have to cook. And then when everything is cooked, then please call me. Because we will do the green sauce. So guys, gagawin na natin yung green sauce. Ingredients natin, ito yung 7 different kinds of herbs. Meron tayong cream sauce. Basta cream siya, guys. Cream. Fresh creams. And then, another cream na pod. Ang dami nilang klaseng cream, guys. Tapos, eto, alam ko to, sour cream. Something like that. Mayonnaise, zenf, salt and pepper. We have sugar, and we have vinegar. We have here yogurt. Optional lang siya. We have also quark. Optional lang din. And another cream. So, let's start. We will now put first the herbs here, guys, sa food processor. Done. Done. So, much better pag yan. So, lahat talaga, guys, ilagay siya dito. Should we put all right away? Because it's too much, right? And then, our food processor, guys, is very cute. I said half, pero I already put all. But the sauce, little bit, right? But because, little by little, nalagay ko na lahat. Meron pa pala tayong half lemon juice. So, guys, ito na yung fresh cream. And then sour, yeah.
Slice the herb.
Yeah, the natural sauce from the... Half lang muna, guys, kasi para hindi mag-explode. And then, nakalimutan.
Later. Maybe just the schlags.
Schlags, half of it.
Yeah.
So, ito na muna, guys. Muna siya natin para... And then later, ilagay na natin lahat ng ingredients pag na-crush na siya. Yan. And let's start. First, slow lang muna. Kailangan lang natin siyang guys. Kailangan siya ng help. Dapat kasi siyang mag-turn around. So, tapos na siya, guys. So now, the moment of truth. Taste. We have to taste them. Yeah, I can smell the green sauce. It's very thick, guys. Ang ganda niya. Para lang siyang garlic. No, I mean, para lang siyang dressing, salad dressing, no? Yan yung texture niya. Let's try. I want to try more. For me, it's good. We'll just add later salt and pepper when something is missing. Nagdadalawang isip pa siya, guys. Mag-a-add lang kami ng sliced egg. So, yun lang guys. Mix lang natin yan. Meron pa kaming 6 na itlog na buo. Later na din yun siya, guys. Pag magsiserve na tayo sa plate. And then our potatoes is already cooked also. This is good. Ayun guys, tapos na. We'll just have to... We will eat now? Yes, we will eat now.
Well, it should stay half a day
To
get the better.
get a better taste. Much better din siya pag na-overnight. Yun, mga ganun. So, prepare lang tayo. Kain na tayo.
Die Eier bitte, oder? Ja. Here you can.
Yeah. Uy, ang cute ng ano natin, oh. Akala ko nabalatan na, wala pa pala. Magbabalat muna tayo ng ano, guys. Ang ganda niya na ano, no? You will eat them with the skin. Okay. Ayun, isa lang muna, guys. And then, meron tayong egg. Ooh. And then, yung ating sauce.
You have two.
Oh, I didn't realize it. Oh, I will be lucky today. Guys, dalawa yung egg yolk ko. Look at the egg yolk, guys. Dalawa. Dalawa siya. Ayan. That's the green sauce of Frankfurt. Diba? Maganda siya, no? Kain po. So... Yeah. Ang fresh ng herbs. It's good. So, this is, I made something.
Yeah.
Meat. Wala talaga tong meat na partner, guys. It's just the egg and then the potato lang talaga. Bacon also, no?
No.
Kailangan ko talaga ng meat. That's it. That's it for me because I need meat.